Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So today I will be making a Christmas winter decor. Now by the time you see this, Christmas will be over, but it's definitely a decor piece that can be kept throughout the winter. And if you would rather have it for Christmas, then it's always something, if you like the DIY, you can make for next year. Now, I love cloche decor, or cloches in general, and Dollar Tree really only has one size of a cloche, and it's pretty small. So I wanted to use another item with it to make it bigger. So obviously for this DIY, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree High Cloche Dome. I'm also going to be using the Dollar Tree cylinder vase. And what is so great about these two items is that once you put them together, it really elongates the cloche, which is really nice. So I have those two. I'll be using a Dollar Tree LED light up tree, the Dollar Tree red truck, and I still am finding these in the garden section of my Dollar Tree. If not, then just use another item that can fit inside of the cloche. I have this box decor, the particle board, and then mine says welcome home. I've actually had this one for over a year, and it has the succulents on it, but it really doesn't matter what yours looks like because I'm going to be painting over mine. Although this one here would work really well if you were leaving it in the if you didn't want to paint the bottom, because it looks like a wreath at the bottom of where the cylinder vase is going to be. But Dollar Tree has these seasonally, and so just as long as you pick up one, then you're good to go. I also have a package of the pine picks, and these are the flocked pine picks, so I'll be using some of those. I have some snow, and I have a package of the mini trees by Christmas House, and there are 8 in here, so I'll be using a few of those. Now I'm going to be showing you two versions of this DIY. One will be with the items just as they are, and then I'm going to be painting them to show you a different version, which is the version that I'm going to keep my DIY in. I want them to look like gingerbread. So I picked up a acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and it is in cinnamon brown. When you're doing gingerbread makeovers, I've always heard that nutmeg is the color that you want to go for, but I was not able to find any nutmeg paint, acrylic paint, and I even looked for spray paint and I couldn't find it either. I mean, I could have ordered it from Amazon, but I decided just to go with the Dollar Tree cinnamon brown. It is darker, but I've seen gingerbread that is darker, whether it's a vegan alternative or just a darker shade of the gingerbread. So if it doesn't look like gingerbread, then it's going to look like chocolate, and either one will work for the holidays. So I believe that is everything. Other than my E6000 glue and hot glue, I am ready to put this DIY together. So I hope this is something that you enjoy, and maybe you just might make it for yourself. Without further ado, let's jump into the DIY. Okay, so to start off with the DIY, I'm going to glue my cylinder vase, glass vase, to the decor piece here. And this one actually worked out great because I can use this wreath as a guide to where my cylinder vase is going to sit. So for me, it's going to be in the center of this wreath. But If you have a different one, just eyeball it, or you can even measure it around to make sure that it's pretty centered. So I'm gonna take my E6000 glue and glue the vase down. Just because it's glass, you're better off going with an E6000 glue because the hot glue doesn't really adhere the glass to items as well. Maybe it's a little bit better when you're adhering it to something that's not another glass piece, but just to be sure, I'm going to use the E6000 glue, and then I'll add a little bit of hot glue to keep it in place. So now I have added my greenery, the pine picks, to the bottom. I just cut off the pick part and then shaped them to form around the cylinder vase. And I think these look even pretty just like this. So pretty. I went ahead and I added some of the snow, the sheet snow, to the bottom of the cylinder. And then I place my tree on top of that. And like I said, these look pretty just like this. But I am going to add my cloche to the top because that just adds more height to it, and then the roundness of the cloche is really, really pretty. However, I am going to add one more thing to this, and you can make it optional if you decide to make it for yourself. But before I add the snow to the bottom of the truck, I'm going to add a wire LED light from Dollar Tree. And what's really neat about the bottom of this cloche is that there is a hole on the bottom that goes right through. Can you see that there? Just right there in the center. So with these wire LED lights, the fairy lights, the wire fits right through that hole. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to turn it upside down, and then I'm going to insert the wire strand and pull it through. And as you can see, it goes all the way through. Now with the battery pack, I'm going to glue it on the inside, and what I'm going to do there is I'm going to actually take the top off. And I may need to keep the top off. I just break that right off because it just makes it easier and it allows me a little bit more room. And I am going to glue that, and just with my hot glue gun, I'm going to take a little bit of glue and add it to the bottom here, and then put it on an angle so that it's leaning on top of that middle little centerpiece there, if you can see. Sorry if I was off screen there, guys. So if you didn't see it, I just took the top of the battery pack off, And now I'm going to add a little bit of glue to the bottom here. And then I'm going to have it leaning on an angle glued into the bottom of the base of the cloche. And this way it allows me to turn the battery pack on and off with ease, and it will be enough room so that the tree on the bottom is not going to be touching the battery pack. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue that in and then show you how that looks. Okay, and here I added a dab of glue to the inside there just to keep that extra wire down so that you don't see it dangling inside of the vase. And I added my glue to the end of the battery pack, and now it's just sitting on an angle on top of that piece on the bottom that sticks up. And so now I'll be able to turn the switch on and off for my battery pack when I want to light it up or when I want to keep it off. Okay, so now I've added my batteries and my lights are working. You just want to make sure probably before you glue it in. So now with the lights, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hand and I'm just going to wrap the wire strand around my hand so it keeps it together. Then I'm going to take some more of that snow and I'm going to wrap it around the lights. And then I'll just trim the excess off. And then you just have to play around with it to get it to sit inside of that base. I mean, if a little bit sticks out, it's not a huge deal. And then you just place your red truck on top and then add the top piece like that. And then what you're going to do is just place this on top of the glass, and now the top of your cloche is lit up. But let me go ahead and light the tree on the bottom and show you what it looks like. Now also with these pine picks, I didn't glue them down to the base because I haven't decided if I want to glue them down yet. I mean, if you're not going to be moving your piece around, then they sit just fine. But so for now, I'm just leaving them like that. But let me go turn the tree on and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. And then I already pre-painted my other red truck and tree in the gingerbread look. And then I'm going to show you what that looks like, and then you can see them side by side to see which one you like better. Okay guys, so here is my holiday decor DIY, and how cute do these look? I have to say that I prefer the gingerbread finish just because it really does look more finished than the one on the left. Now the one on the left is really pretty as well. And definitely you could add, it just seems like it needs something else. Like even just the bottom with me adding the faux icing little dots down there just feels like it finished it off. Where this one, it just seems like it needs something. So definitely, if you wanted to keep it in this more traditional look, you could add some red berries or little miniature ornament balls in red and green. You could tie a thin velvet ribbon around the center and have that coming down. I think it would just look a little bit better, more finished is how I would explain it. But the gingerbread look, I absolutely love it. And I already went ahead and painted another truck and another tree so that I can add them in this one here. And then I'm also going to add the dots to the base of this one, and I'm going to display them as the gingerbread look. I think they're so pretty, and I love that I was able to add the lights to these cloches and really hide the battery box so you don't see it, and it fits in there with the tree underneath, and it just skims it, but it works, and I'm so glad that it all came together. Also, as I said, if you wanted to, you definitely could just take off the top, display it separately. However, with that battery box in there, it won't sit flat. So you would either have to take the battery box out and leave it in behind, or just display it like this. I'm going to display it like this, but these do really look pretty when you take the top cloche off and then just have the tree inside of the cylinder vase. It looks so pretty. It really does. On top of a table, it would look really pretty. But I love it, and I love that I have a few different ways that I can display these pieces, and I'm glad that it was inexpensive and I had a lot of fun making it. I really love painting the Dollar Tree items to make them look like gingerbread, and this 3D paint is just amazing. It takes a little bit to dry, but once it does, it's on there so nicely, and I just love it. It's a lot of fun. I really want to make a gingerbread and then buy the different colored ones so that I can, instead of just the brown and the white, I can add some color to it. But I think it will be a lot of fun. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click on the like button, share the video. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now. Okay guys, and here I wanted to show you without the lights in the cloche and just the light at the bottom. This way, if you decide that you want to take this piece off and just display it like that, you definitely can. And see how cute the trees look even just on their own on top of the base. Super cute. So either without or with, I think these came out adorable. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Do you like the traditional look with the red truck and the white tree, or do you prefer the gingerbread look? Okay guys, take care. Bye-bye.